Hello friends, this is Ramna. Today I will show demo on CHARINDEX and PatindexVsCharindex, so how they work and how they behave at the time of the execution. So first we will see the similarities. Similarities are both are comes under string functions category. Both are searching for first position of the pattern in the given string or given column in the table. So it returns both are returns integer position. Both are returns the first position and the number it will throw. So differences, the wildcard characters work in PatindexVsCharindex but not in CHARINDEX. So PatindexVsCharindex accepts two arguments. CHARINDEX allows three arguments. These two are the differences and these three are the similarities. Now we will show the practical demo. I am taking the one sentence here. This is my sentence. India is the fastest growing nation in the world. So I am applying the CHARINDEX and PatindexVsCharindex to search for the values from this string. Now I am using first I am searching for CHARINDEX. I am using the CHARINDEX. CHARINDEX, it will take two arguments. Sometimes it will take three arguments also as per the requirement. First I am showing that I am passing the two arguments. I am searching for the value d in the given line, in the above given line. I am giving the areas name here as position. So if you run this one, it will throw 10. So the position, the value with d is in 10th position here. So if there are two d's in the same sentence, so when you want to search for second d, you have to give the um, third argument. That should be more than the number of the first question. So I want to give, suppose I'm giving this 12 number. To 12 number, if you run the query, it will give the 40th. So D will appear, second D will appear in the third person. In the 40th character, it will appear the second D. So if we include less than 10, it will throw 10 only. If we include more than 10, then it will throw the second portion of the integer, second portion of the value, that is 40th. So second, the third parameter is most of them doesn't use. At the time of the requirement only they will use. If you want to include the third parameter, that doesn't mean the fetched value as more than 2 in the expression. This is how it will work. And one more thing, difference is wildcards is not worked in the CHARINDEX. If you include the wildcards like percentage, it will throw, it doesn't throw any error, but it will give the person integer as 0. So or else if you give the underscore, it will give 0 only. So wildcards doesn't work in the CHARINDEX. So I am using the same function in PatindexVsCharindex now. Same sentence in PatindexVsCharindex. Now in PatindexVsCharindex, the wildcards is work. Without wildcards, it doesn't allow. If you execute the same query here in PatindexVsCharindex, it will throw 0. Sorry, PatindexVsCharindex. It will throw 0. So wildcard must and should in the PatindexVsCharindex. At the same time, not single wildcard. You have to mention two wildcards, both starting portion and the ending portion of the fetched pattern. So now if you execute now, it will give 10. This is how the PatindexVsCharindex will work. And one more thing, if you want to fetch other than the values in the PatindexVsCharindex, suppose I am taking here char and space 0,19 to Z. So if you execute this then, and that means whatever the characters in the given expression should not, it will give, if any value other than the 0 to 9 A to Z, it will give, it will throw the position including space. So if you run this well, currently in the given sentence there are no integers, there are except A to Z and space, nothing are there. It will throw error because there are no integers. Suppose I want to add some special characters like like at in the sentence, and run the same query, then it will throw the position 14th position because yet yet is not a comes under given switch button. It will give a space 0 9 A to Z. So if you give the yet also in the switch button, then it will throw again 0 0. So if you give again one more character, that is plus symbol, sorry, or is equal symbol, then it will give the position of the is equal to after running this query, that is 24. So PatindexVsCharindex will work practically at the time of the extracting the special characters from the name fields. Like this, it is very useful to extract the special characters from the columns. It is very useful function. So this is how it works. Again, I'm telling, both are string functions, both are searching for first position, and both are differences comes to wildcards allowed in PatindexVsCharindex but not in CHARINDEX. PatindexVsCharindex accepts two arguments, whereas CHARINDEX allows